Good day, my dear. You are observing my video. I am Rakesh Chaube from Sunbeam Sun City. Today I am giving you the sixth lecture on the ray optics. This is a series lecture number 6 on the ray optics. Lecture number 6. I already uploaded 5 videos on the ray optics. This is the 6th video I am going to upload today. Now, my dear, in this lecture, as you know about it, in my last video I have given you all the information regarding the image formed by the plane mirror with the help of the point object. Now, my dear, I will take a small discussion with the extended object. How will we form the image in the case of plane mirror? I repeat, and with that help we will make a revision also of the last topic, and then I will go for a very important topic, because this was the question on my email also. Sir, explain the image formed by the two plane mirrors, right? But before that, I will show you one diagram of formation of the image by taking extended object, and the mirror is one and only one, that is a single plane mirror. So here is the today's topic. We will begin with image formed by extended object using single plane mirror, or using, I can say, a plane mirror. A plane mirror means one plane mirror, right? So image formed by extended object using a plane mirror. And then in this topic we will make a revision of all those topics which I have done, the image formation by the point object, right? I'll show you one diagram with the extended object, and then I will go for the question which the student has asked me on my email, that show the image formation by two plane mirrors, right? Now, so for example, my dear, say I have taken this as a plane mirror. This is the plane mirror, and I have taken the extended object here in front of the plane mirror, right? This is the extended object, or we can call the extended object also as a line object. We call extended object also as line object. So I have taken an extended object or line object, say the name is AB. Say the name is AB. Now in this case, the A is the top surface and the B is the bottom one, right? Now, my dear, as I told you during the point object cases, how the image will be formed. I told you, wherever the object is given, you draw the perpendicular from object to the mirror, as well as you produce that perpendicular inside the mirror. So for example, I am giving you the trick. You all know the trick. Whenever the object is given, we will draw the perpendicular. We will do this practice today by using two plane parallel mirrors also. So here, let us draw. Say I have drawn the perpendicular here on the plane mirror, and I will extend this perpendicular inside the mirror also. I will see to it that the distance of this perpendicular and the distance of this perpendicular which I produce inside the mirror is same. And from beginning only I have marked it as A dash. Similarly, I will draw the perpendicular from B also on the plane mirror, and I will extend this perpendicular also inside the mirror. Say I will mark this as B dash. From beginning only I know that A dash and B dash is the image called as a virtual image, because they are not actually we are not getting, but they are virtually, they are appear to form an image at A dash and B dash, and I can draw the arrow like this. Now to show this, whether really it is forming the image like this, let us draw. How will we form the image? Let us draw the ray diagram. I know from beginning that the image will be this. Now let us draw the ray diagram, and that image I got because of my trick I have given for the point object. Whenever I am repeating this again and again so that you will get the information very well, that whenever the object is given, either it is a point or it is extended, draw the perpendicular from object to the mirror and produce that perpendicular inside the mirror as what I have did. I have drawn perpendicular and I produce it inside, I marked A dash. I have drawn perpendicular from B, I produce inside, I marked it as B dash. Now next part. Now look at the ray diagram, whether really forming an image at A dash or B dash. Now from A, let the ray of light going like this. So this is the incident ray and let it incident at point M. I will name this as first incident ray denoted by I1. Let us know that, you all know, sir, this is the incident ray. Of course, I want three ray. One is incident ray, from where I have taken. Other is a normal ray and third is the refracted ray. Now, this is incidenting at point M. So, let us draw the normal at point M. So, I have drawn the normal. You know normal is nothing but perpendicular. So, if mirror is like this, the perpendicular is like this. This is the normal. So I have given the name of the normal as MT and say this is a normal ray. This is the incident ray, this is the normal ray. Now where I will get the reflection, let the reflection of this ray takes place here. And it will be produced back and it will meet at point A dash. This is the ray, it is produced back and meet at the point A dash. And this is the refracted ray. Refracted ray. Let I have given this as R1 and let the name is given as MQ is the refracted ray. Similarly, my dear, assume that the ray of light from B, this is also because the object is from A to B. So the ray of light from B will reach to say plane mirror at this point. Say at point N. Again, this is the incident ray. Bn is the incident ray, as Am was incident ray, Bn is also an incident ray. So here I will write like this is second incident ray, I2. Again I will draw. I require three things: incident ray, refracted ray and normal. Again I will draw the normal at this point of incidence. So this is the normal ray. Normal ray. Let that normal ray is given a name NL. Now let this will be reflected back here, which will be produced and it will be meet at point. You can see it is meeting at point B dash. So 100% A dash B dash become a virtual image of the object AB, and this virtual image I am getting at the same distance from the mirror as the distance of the object from the mirror. So again the 3 points again I can note down in the case of virtual also, in the case of extended object also, that image is formed inside the mirror. Second is image is virtual. So it doesn't make a sense whether the object is a point object or whether the object is a extended object. The image always by the plane mirror is virtual, one and only one, that is virtual, because any image in the mirror is not actually meeting. We are making it to meet at a point. Am I clear? Inside the mirror. That's not a real one, and therefore image is virtual. And you can see the A is at top here, A dash is at top, B is at bottom, B dash is at bottom. So such image is also nothing but it is erect. It is virtual, it is erect, because all real image are inverted. From class 10th you know that the real images are only inverted and virtual images are erect image. So the image is virtual, and when I start taking an extended object, because in the case of point object we were not saying erect, we were not saying inverted, but in the case of extended object आपको दिखाई देता है कि ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद में जो इमेज मिल रहा है, whether that image is of the same size, same way as it is appearing here. So if it is like that, it is erect. And if it is invert of the object, it is called inverted. But here you can see A is at top, here A dash is at top, B is at bottom, B dash is at the bottom. Same way I am getting the image as it was the object, and therefore it is called erect. And the third is the distance of the image. The distance of image from plane mirror is same as the distance of the object. Is same as the distance of the object. So this is the three crucial point. This is the three crucial point you should aware about when you are doing with the plane mirror. This is for all the questions of the plane mirror, that in the plane mirror the image form inside the mirror, the image is always virtual erect, and the image distance from the plane mirror is same as that of the object distance. This is applicable also for two plane mirrors also. Am I clear? When the image is to be formed by using two plane mirror also, we have to use the same kind of the applications. So here I have done one question because I have told you all that I will take a small revision by taking an extended object, which I did it. So please draw this diagram, do it in 2 minutes, and then I will proceed for reflection by using two plane mirrors, and how many number of images are formed when there are two plane mirrors and the object is kept in between, either symmetrical or unsymmetrical. Please write down this as early as possible.